What's up, y'all? This is your boy SS Drew back at you one more again. Many of you know I have a video blog on YouTube, hence why you're looking at the channel. And one of my subscribers, Mr. Mike, hi Mr. Mike, saw the reaction video that we made about 2 or 3 weeks ago in regards to a 12-year-old beheading a spy. At the time, my very good friends Josh and G were here, but unfortunately, due to work requirements, they have to go to work, so they're not here. So, Mr. Mike, sorry, you just get me. But I will show G. He'll be here tomorrow, and he can look at this or whenever he comes over. All right. So, super long story short, it's something called the Blood Gutted. He sent me the information. It's on my screen. I haven't started viewing it yet, and I'm going to watch it. So, let's see. Let me take a sip first of my cocktail, and we're gonna click play. There's a volume. Make sure we got volume. All right, we're rolling. And action. Warning. It's 4 hours and 9 seconds long. The video you're about to see is extremely graphic. Okay? And now, Lord have mercy. I don't see anything. Okay. There's a guy. Oh my god. Oh my. Are you serious? Oh, wow. Oh. This is like. Oh, shit. Oh. Woo. Through. Oh, I can't even. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Oh, why? Oh. I think I'm going to be sick. Oh. Oh, fuck me. God damn it. This is so. What the hell? Oh! Oh. Why did you. Jesus! And he's still. Dang, nothing but the devil. Oh my god. Y'all got. Woo! This is wrong on so. And he is still moving. Baby, just lay there. God dang it. This is really. Oh. And I done worked in a funeral home. My major's mortuary science. Around dead people all the time. And this right here? That's the. What they doing? What they gonna do? Mm, mm, mm. Oh, fuck! Okay, hold on. Okay, okay. First things first. The disclaimer: I am not a racist person at all. I love all different types of religions and sexes and peoples, but I can honestly say these Russian people are fucked up, y'all. I mean, yo, if you're Russian, no, I mean, I'm sorry, but yo, your people, what? Whew. Mr. Mike, good one. I took my what? Y'all have to see this. In fact, inbox me, and I will send the link. Mm, mm, mm. All I can say is, no matter how much crap goes on in the United States of America, I'm glad this don't happen here. All I gotta say, love you guys a long time. I can't even look. My cranberry vodka is red. I can't even look at red. Jesus. Love you guys a long time. Double deuces.